Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. What's up YouTube? I'm back again with a brand new video. This time we are going to unbox the YEEZY 350 Boost Sesame color. You can see Sesame. Let's unbox it together. Box it together. Here we go. Brand new YEEZY's Sesame color. It says Boost on the bottom. Very comfortable sneakers. Once again, all the YEEZY's 350 Boosts are very comfortable. This is a brand new fresh pair. I just bought it and I also paid under retail. These are very good sneakers if you are looking for comfortability. YEEZY, ADIDAS YEEZY. Back, side, bottom, front. Here's the other pair. And there are a lot of fake YEEZYs out there, so you guys, when you buy these, just make sure you're buying a legit one and you're buying these from a legit seller. Very comfortable sneakers once again. So let's see how they look on the feet. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.